How to send silent message on Messenger. So the first step is by opening your Messenger app and then go to the message that or the person that you want to message with. So click on it and then on your keyboard simply type in or click on this button right here, the numerical keyboard, and then click on this slash button or key right here. Once you have clicked on that slash key, you may see all of these options, but choose the very first option, which is silent. So right there, click on slash silent and type in the message that you want. So send it, and then what this will do is that it will not notify this person that you have sent them a message. So that's it. That's how you can send silent message on Messenger. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.